Top 5 Best Automotive Toolkit. Number 5. WorkPro W009044A 408-piece Mechanics Toolset. Why we like it: the unit offers a complete assortment of the most important tools for any repair task. All the tools feature a Polish chrome finish for protection from rust and corrosion. Design. The 408 pieces in this mechanics toolset from WorkPro features all the essential tools that professional mechanics as well as DIYers at home need. The set includes ratchet handles, combination wrenches, an adjustable wrench, pliers, and even a hammer. In fact, the hammer is fully heat-treated and polished to absorb sufficient shock and resist bending. The magnetic screwdriver handles and bits make work much easier for a variety of purposes. The adjustable wrench also features a comfortable anti-slip grip, making it easy to use. Convenient features. As if the high quality of the 408 pieces is not enough, WorkPro gives you a lifetime warranty, which is amazing. The tools come in a heavy-duty metal case with 3 drawers. This case features a handle at the top for portability. The case comes with a locking mechanism that leaves the other lower drawers closed when you close the top drawer. In the set, you get a collection of 6 precision screwdrivers that are chrome-plated to increase durability and offer anti-corrosion protection. Verdict. As if the high quality of the 408 pieces is not enough, WorkPro gives you a lifetime warranty, which is amazing. The tools come in a heavy-duty metal case with 3 drawers. This case features a handle at the top for portability. The case comes with a locking mechanism that leaves the other lower drawers closed when you close the top drawer. In the set, you get a collection of 6 precision screwdrivers that are chrome-plated to increase durability and offer anti-corrosion protection. Pros. Ample storage. Durable quality tools. Essential tools included in the set. Lifetime warranty. Cons. The case is not a heavy-duty case. Coming in number 4. Craftsman 450-piece Mechanics Toolset. Why we like it: it comes with magnetic handles that make bit installation easy. The tool assortment includes 3 quick-release ratchets, 16 combination wrenches and 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch metric size drives. Design. With 450 pieces on this Craftsman Mechanics toolset, you can be sure to turn any hard repair work into an easy job. This toolset can easily handle any complicated task. It comes with a 3-drawer case that provides ample storage for all the tools. For easy access to bolts and nuts in hard-to-reach places, the toolset comes with an array of combination wrenches. The unit also includes 3 quick-release ratchets. Convenient features. Even though the case that this unit comes with is heavy, it offers long-lasting storage. It comes with a lifetime warranty covering the wrench sockets and ratchets. The ratchets come with 75 teeth for sufficient contact and torque. If you are planning to work on a car repair project, this unit will offer you a variety of tools to work with. Verdict. This unit fits the bill for a variety of repair and DIY projects. However, the unit is a bit expensive. Furthermore, the fact that the warranty covers everything but the bits could be a deal breaker for some buyers. When it's all said and done, this mechanic toolset from Craftsman still offers more in terms of quality and convenience. Pros. Ample storage case. Durable tools. A wide variety of tools included. Easy bit installation with magnetic handles. Cons. Some essential tools are not included. The warranty could be better. Coming in number 3. DeWALT DWMT81531. Why we like it: this unit is covered by a lifetime warranty and it comes with a solid plastic case that looks and feels durable. The array of sockets, bits, and other accessories makes this tool set a must-have for professional or DIY tasks. Design. The sockets and the wrenches on this unit are designed to enable greater contact with the fasteners, thus achieving better torque performance. This is all thanks to DeWALT's direct torque technology. The set comprises of 84 mechanic tools that are carefully selected to fit any type of task. The ratchets come with 72 teeth to enable a better arm swing when you need to work in hard-to-reach places. All the tools are designed to give a good tactile response and the engraving are easy to read. Convenient features. Like all mechanical tools from Stanley, the Stanley STMT73795 comes with a full lifetime warranty to guarantee the quality of its durability. The case is designed as a blow-molded storage unit and it's easily portable. Unlike conventional plastic tool cases that allow tools to fall out as soon as you open the case, the Stanley STMT73795 comes with a case that holds the tools in place. The case also features a twist lock for secure storage and improved mobility. Verdict: you will be hard-pressed to find occasions where you are getting more value from the tool set than what you paid for. DeWALT presents one of those rare occasions with this set. Their DeWALT DWMT81531 offers 84 high-quality tool pieces in a high-quality plastic casing for durability. There are no unnecessary filler items, thus making it quite the bargain. Pros: durable tool selection, ample storage, portable case, comfortable grip with all tools, lifetime warranty included. Cons: the tool set is heavy. There is no attachment adapter for an impact drill. Coming in number 2. Crescent CTK 170 CMP2 Mechanics Tool Set. Why we like it: the tool case is made of durable folding plastic that is easy to transport. You also get a variety of tools that meet ANSI and ASME specifications. Design: the Crescent CTK 170 CMP2 is a 170-piece mechanical tool set. Its tools assortment comprises of every tool you would need for DIY mechanical projects or professional industrial jobs. Unlike most mechanical tool sets that come with a flimsy tool case, this one features a design that retains the tools in their position quite well. Therefore, you don't need to worry about tools falling out of place once you open the case. Plus, it's made of foldable lightweight plastic that is easy to transport and carry around. The case also features a foam insert that further protects the tools from jostling about. Convenient features. Among the tools in the set are 12-point sockets, deep sockets, and 2 spark plugs. The sockets come with a nice glossy finish, plus they are built to handle up to 500 pounds of pressure without breaking. The finishing on the screwdrivers is also quite impressive. You get a decent grip on the screwdrivers, making it easy to use even with wet hands. The combo wrenches on this tool set are also made to fit high-quality standards. They have a slender body that easily handles any amount of torque you apply. You also get adjustable wrenches, hex keys, and magnetic driver bits as well. Verdict: the Crescent CTK 170 CMP2 offers a great selection of tools with a ratcheting drive set that includes 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/8 inch designs. The grip on the pliers and screwdrivers is comfortable and easy to work with. However, some users thought the quality of the pliers could have been better. Pros: easily portable case, durable tools, a wide variety of hand tools included, 1-year warranty included, comes with an adjustable wrench. Cons: some users complained of some difficulty while using the pliers. Coming in 1. DeWALT DWMT72165 204-piece mechanics tool set. This is another set of excellent wrenches that could form the base of any well-put-together mechanic tool set. DeWALT has put a lot of effort into constructing a well-thought-out kit that has a number of useful features to appeal to mechanics everywhere. One of the standout features is the slim head that has been incorporated into the ratchet design. As anyone who has spent time under the hood or stretched out underneath a jacked-up car can testify, sometimes there really isn't a lot of space to work in. Slim head ratchets are then a real advantage when it comes to working on your car, and it's great to see them included here. The ratchet head also includes a quick release button, and the sockets themselves have hard stamped, easy to read markings to make changes on the fly fast and simple. The ratchet also boasts a 72-tooth count, which is going to give a very secure hold on the sockets, allowing you to utilize a high degree of torque. While this is one of the more expensive wrench sets on the list, its high-quality construction cannot be denied. Key features: knurled surface for excellent grip, 72 tooth ratchet for high torque application. Slim head ratchet design. Durable storage case.